to play God and be able to create and manipulate videos like a magician, including being able to cause the next zombie apocalypse or shoot someone in the head, legally, all while sitting behind your computer screen? Well, my name is Vicky Lau, and I've worked in the Hollywood film and visual effects industry for a number of years, learning the tips, tricks, and insights of visual effects effective techniques. I was involved in the visual effects and post-production work in TV hit series such as AMC's The Walking Dead, Hemlock Grove, and blockbuster movies like Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy, the latest Ninja Turtles, and Alice Through the Looking Glass. All that and still to come, cranking out multiple shots in a day.
Alright. So you probably heard that spiel before in some other promo video, so I'm not gonna repeat that. Anyway, if you're more serious on wanting to become a professional compositor in the industry using software used by big and major visual effects studios, then I'm presenting this course today to provide you with both theory and practice on how people in Hollywood actually do compositing with Nuke. And of course, knowing me, and unlike those other courses out there that are over 20 hours long, I believe in keeping things short, sweet, and straight to the point like a sharpshooter, so I'll only be creating the necessary lessons needed to get the message across. In other words, this course will be like 20 hours worth of information crammed into the time that is truly necessary to convey the point, sparing you a bunch of hours. This course is part 1 of a 2-part series where in part 1 of this course, we'll cover the basics of 2D compositing from its history, concepts and uses in film and visual effects, to specific techniques and tricks in Nuke, ending off with some tips on workflow optimization and best practices. And of course, you actually get your hands absolutely filthy on a couple of real practice shots. So if you're completely new to visual effects, interested in understanding the industry's visual effects compositing Nuke pipeline, or even looking to transition your existing compositing skills to Nuke, and look no further. You've found the right course taught by someone who's actually in the industry. You're forewarned though, it is going to be a pretty chunky part of a series course, so full of knowledge that you'd be full and filled for days. So, are you ready to learn the ins and outs of 2D compositing using Nuke? Well, brace yourself, because once you complete this course, you'll be on your way knocking down doors of visual effects studios.